So the major question is, you're out in the middle of the woods, you need to find a place to go to the bathroom. Sometimes that's a pretty easy proposition. Sometimes if you're in a campground, not so much. If you're here at Expo, you are approximately 3.5 inches from the person next to you. So what do your facilities look like? And we found this new company here, InstaPrivy, which is an incredible product, not only something for camping like something on this weekend, but to have with you in your car at all the time. I want to invite Paul, the inventor, over to explain it to us. Come on in, Paul.
All right.
Oh, and you've even got an InstaPrivy shirt. Nice to see you.
Absolutely.
Great,
nice to see you.
So, I've seen a lot of toilets, as many people have, and if you shop around here, you can buy one for $700 that wraps it up for you and package it, maybe mail it somewhere, to a 5-gallon bucket from Lowe's, to a shovel.
Yeah.
But this is really unique because it looks like something you could pick up instantly and get started. Tell us what it is.
Okay, so this is the InstaPrivy. It's a portable toilet kit and a backpack. The backpack is padded, stowable backpack straps, MOLLE webbing on the front. But on the inside, you got a portable toilet chair, a privacy tent, a set of 5 waste bags. If you run out of waste bags, we got you a shovel. You also have 4-ply toilet paper and hand sanitizer. So it's everything you're gonna need to use this product.
Well, let's unpack it and show everybody how it works.
Okay, so let's start with the toilet chair. Do you want to try that?
Yeah, actually.
Set that out. So
put this down.
When you get here, you put a waste bag.
Actually, it looks like we got one over here that's got a waste bag in it. So these waste bags come with it?
Yeah, it's a set of 5 waste bags, and the waste bag goes right across the top of the legs, and the lid interlocks with it. So, yep, you just pull that.
Oh yeah, so you just, and this, I mean, you give the waste bags, but I can use any waste bag.
Well, not all of them fit as good as others. Ideally, you'd use the InstaPrivy waste bag, but others may fit.
Well, now this part, I don't think, this is not an instructional video. Most people know how to do this, but if you don't, this is how you do this. But now, I mean, I think there's a crowd around here, so what are we going to do to protect me so that I don't have to...
Pete, we got you covered.
You got me covered? Covered literally?
Literally.
Oh my gosh.
So this is the privacy tent. It just comes out, goes right over your head, just like that.
Amazing.
360 degrees visibility.
Amazing.
You got a pocket inside for your toilet paper, hand sanitizer. We even got instructions if you're bored in there, Pete.
That's good. I'm actually looking for a magazine.
Yeah.
That'd be good. I'm going to be here for a
bring
little while.
your own.
You know, this is fantastic, and it looks like, you know, if you had to, you could tie this up in a tree as well, right?
Yeah.
I mean, people have seen people's legs walking around before. So if you wanted to take a shower or do something else, or change your clothes, I guess you could use this in a number of ways.
Yeah, you absolutely can. And for a shower, it works great because it doesn't go all the way to the ground where it's going to get mud splashed up on it. And so it's actually best to hang it up a little bit, and then it drip dries and can go back in your kit in about 15 minutes.
Now, this was a lot larger than the backpack it came out of. So how do we fold this thing up?
Well, if you don't mind, I will give you a quick class on that.
Okay.
All right, so the best way to do it, I think,
Go ahead.
is just to hold it at 4 and 8, and then kind of hold it like this, and then you're going to get alligator arms. Bring it up like this, form a taco shape, twist in like that, gather all 3 rings, goes right back in the bag.
Magical. So again, and then this whole thing folds up in a bag. I mean, I walked by the show like a lot of people did, and I'm thinking, what the heck is that? And I saw this person wearing this. I thought it was maybe a Mardi Gras thing, or maybe they were having a happy hour. And then it popped out, and there's a toilet underneath it. So everything fits in that little bag.
Yes, sir. And the complete kit weighs just 7 pounds, and it fits in every boat, every RV, every truck, Overland vehicle, Jeep.
I think if you were tailgating, it doesn't get any better than that.
Oh, you're absolutely right. That's another great application.
So how much is it?
So the retail on the InstaPrivy kit for everything included is $150.
Great. And then they can buy supplies or whatever else from the website?
Absolutely. Go to instaprivy.com or send me an email at paul@instaprivy.com. We'll take care of you.
This sounds fantastic. Well, I know one of these is going to end up in the back of my truck. And I know Dave, our cameraman, who's a frequent tailgater at football games, particularly baseball games, we're going to get one for him too, for his family to use. So, Paul, great invention. Thanks for doing it. Thanks for joining the show. And for those that haven't stopped by here, instaprivy.com on the internet, check it out.